Yo, that's what it looks like out here today, man. This ain't no joke. I'm trying to snow all I can by myself. I need somebody to help me, man. This ain't no joke out here. Come and help me, please, somebody. Yo, this is the beauty of the snow. But it could be harsh. Yeah, the wind is blowing like 45 to 50 miles an hour. This is no joke, man. I'm telling you. This is where I'm at. Still got a ways to go, you right? It's me, man. Alright? How you doing, guys? That's me, Joel, man. Got my good glasses on. Nice. See that shit? I'm trying to get this shit straight because the wind keeps blowing it out my face. It's all good. Yeah. Check it out, man. That's all we got. That's all we get, man. Oh, it's going off. Wow, man. It's all good, though. Love of God. One of my neighbors just down that way. Doing his shit. Looks like he don't got no help neither. Damn, man. Somebody get their ass out here and help us. Shit. Wow. This is the bomb, man. It's my house, man. I'm gonna clean the stairs a little bit. Shit is cold. Wow. Want some of this? Come get some, man. You can make some limbas with this shit.